This 2020 Civic Sport is one owner with a clean CARFAX with 50,000 kilometers, making it over 4,000 kilometers below market value. Voice and cruise controls all at the wheel. Coming down, you will notice the sport pedals, which are a nice feature here. Also included in this vehicle, you will find your power outlet and USB ports, and a nice little storage, a little bonus storage down there. Again, this is an automatic transmission. And of course, our favorite, heated seats for you and your passenger, along with the dual climate controls. And making our way up, you'll find the touchscreen included with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and of course your backup camera. My favorite feature in this Civic is the seats. I love this leather trim detail. It just looks really sharp. You'll also notice that it does continue from the console right to the insert of the back seat. So you see that follows right into the center console. This model also has a sunroof. I also want to point out or make a mention of these rims. I think they look stunning with the black exterior. Really sharp. So give us a call or come in and say hi. We would love to meet you. And don't forget, you don't have to be from Midland to become a part of the Midland Honda family. We offer complimentary delivery right to your front door.